Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Monday the 25th of April 2016. So the market attempted to move up to begin with, and then we had a lot of volatility that took this trade out for just under a 40-point loss. You can see there as the market went up, hit the entry price, then reversed, stopping the trade out for just under 40 points. The market then moving down sharply and recouping the loss. It did drive through the scalp level there on a biggish bar, and again, if you'd have actually trailed this down, just take out the extend right there so it doesn't disappear off the chart, you'll see you're more or less back to the 20 points on this trade. The market continued lower before prices then found support, and they managed to move the market back to the upside, again driving through the scalp and then starting to come back as we hit the quieter session there. And then again later on in the session we had another sell signal that only managed to sit in the entry price there, just sat on it, and then the market reversed, of course. And then we see the market driving through, and this time recouping the small loss of the short into the early evening there. You can see the market coming back. So again, because it was a no news day, the market trading in a narrow range, but just enough volatility to move certain numbers of the trades, two that didn't, and then the other two that did. So it was sort of two losses, two wins for Friday there. In the daily chart, the weakness still prevails there. You can see how the market on Friday failed to actually make any impact to the upside, struggling and then just trading sideways there. So the Dow daily chart, keep an eye out on the 18,112 level and also the 18,081 as well. These are going to be interesting areas. Now the market is showing some sort of weakness, and again with not much news out, that could add to it as well. But the market's certainly starting to show some sort of weakness, and again this is confirmed by the implied volatility, which oddly enough actually moved lower during Friday's session, coming off a few points there to 11. So again, everything is set up for the market to make a decent correction in the next few weeks. And again, if you wanted more on this, have a look at Fridays where we looked at the analysis of the last 10 years. And it's amazing how accurate the old saying, sell in May and go away, has been during the last 10 years, or only 2 years, where the market didn't fall in May, and that's because they were being pumped with QE money. So very interesting there. Let's just have a quick look at the news, see what we've got out this week. Sunday, let's click on more, then we'll get all of it. So Monday, have we got any Federal Reserve celebrities out? Nothing on Monday, just new home sales. Tuesday, fairly quiet as well. Then Wednesday it gets exciting because we've got the FOMC statement. I don't expect anything to happen with rates, but it'll be interesting to see what the market's reaction is to it. The fact that they probably aren't going to do anything will add more weakness to that sell in May and go away. It looks like all of the, let's say, the Fed reality show is on hold next week. There's nobody out speaking at the moment unless they change their minds. But just the FOMC is the big one for next week, but not a lot. So again, the market could be held on the to the upside during next week because of this. The following week, if we just move on and have a look, I know it's a bit ahead of the time here, but we've got this one, non-farm payrolls out the week after, and again, no celebrity appearances by the members from the Federal Reserve. So again, an interesting one there as well. So it could be a fairly quiet time, but then again, when nothing happens, then it's usually something it's like a void, something has to come and fill it. So it will be certainly interesting to see, but I think the downside pressures there can be in place as well because there is a lack of news to pump the market to the upside as well. Right, that's it for today. I'll see you in Tuesday's Market Alert, and if there's anything to report in between, I'll let you know. Other than that, speak to you soon, and as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.